Hello everyone, welcome to our science lesson. Today we are going to learn how to write word equations for chemical reactions, step by step. A word equation is a simple way to represent a chemical change using the names of the reactants and the products. It's clear and easy to understand. In every equation, we write the reactants, the substances we start with, on the left side. On the right side, we write the products, the new substances formed. If we use a plus sign to separate reactants and an arrow pointing to the products, that arrow means to form or yields. Let's look at our first example. Heating copper metal in oxygen. This reaction produces a compound called copper oxide. To write the equation, we list the reactants, copper plus oxygen. Then we draw the arrow and finally write the product, copper oxide. When these two substances react, they combine to form a completely new substance with its own unique properties. Now let's try aluminium. When aluminium reacts with oxygen, it forms a compound called aluminium oxide. Just like before, we write aluminium plus oxygen arrow aluminium oxide. See how the metal name comes first? Notice the pattern. Most metals reacting with oxygen form a product ending in oxide. It's a helpful rule to remember. Now for something a bit more complex. Let's look at sodium carbonate. It's made from sodium, carbon, and oxygen. For this reaction, we have three reactants that combine together to form one product. The word equation is sodium plus carbon plus oxygen arrow sodium carbonate. Even with more elements, the structure is the same. Let's quickly recap the steps to writing any word equation so you can do it yourself easily. First, identify reactants. Second, find the product name. Third, arrange them with a plus sign and an arrow. That's it. Always be careful with your spelling. In chemistry, using the exact name is very important for others to understand your work. And remember, whenever you are performing these reactions in a lab, always follow all safety protocols. A common mistake is using an equal sign. Remember, the arrow shows that a change is happening in a specific direction. We use the arrow to show the reactants are turning into something new. Never use an equal sign in word equations. It's time for a little test. If calcium reacts with oxygen, what would the word equation be? Based on the patterns we've seen today, I want you to write the word equation for calcium oxide. Write your answer in the comment section below. I'll be checking to see who got it right. Great job today, and see you next time.